slide or just the title?
Okay, so this is the black hole in the picture, and around it is its accretion disk. It's absorbing a star that I think it's the size of our sun. I don't know. And, well, that was basically it. Okay, so this is a big star. I think it's going to turn into a black hole when it explodes. And a star lives by fusing atoms together, and when it fuses iron, it can turn that into energy. So in the last few moments, it fuses heavier and heavier elements, and then it collapses into a black hole, which could absorb most of the heavier elements. That's why they're so big. Okay, this is a binary star system, and the black hole is quasaring. It's shooting jets of energy out of its poles, and this is a huge star. I believe it's Synagis X1. Accretion disk again, can't see the black hole. And this is the diagram of the gravitational well on the black hole. So the black hole is so dense it creates a well that nothing can escape. Nothing can. So once you're in, you can't go back out. Okay. So these are different types of black holes. This is the basic black hole. This one spins, and this one has stars. Wow. And these are different types of collapsed stars. And that's probably a neutron star. So neutron stars are stars. They are so dense that there are no protons in them. There's just neutron fluid. And white dwarfs, our sun will become a white dwarf, and they're basically just dead stars. The end. That's all. So does anyone have any questions?
Leon, may I interrupt you quick? Would you be able to flip the lights and then do questions?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
So, Aiden?
If you go into a black hole, are you ever able to get out?
Yes, through a white hole, but you'll probably be ripped apart before that happens.
What's that?
It's a picture of a supernova that I drew.
Oh, that's really good.
That's good.
That is good.
Okay, thanks for putting it up. And Kata?
So you're saying our sun will soon become like a white dwarf? Yeah, a white dwarf. Will it still produce heat, or will it be like the end of the world?
Probably. Only when it does that, it'll turn into red giant, vaporize into the inner planets. But the outer planets will be just as dense, so the outer planet will still orbit it until it just destroys itself. This happens over time. Any other questions? Liv?
Why did you choose this?
Because black holes are very interesting, and yeah, very mysterious. Can be created in different ways, like two neutron stars merging together, and it create a black hole but fall back? Really?
I have 3 questions.
What?
How bad are they?
Not so bad. They create new universes.
Can they kill us?
Yes, if you fall in.
Uh-oh. Do black holes... Can black holes... like, disappear or something like that?
So, are you asking, can black holes... So what happens with something that falls into a black hole? Or are you saying, can black holes eventually disappear?
Yes.
So yes, they can. It just takes billions of years. But a black hole that's very small takes I think it takes 10 seconds to evaporate. And Alex,
How big can black holes get?
any size. Nick,
I have 2 questions. So basically, if when our sun becomes a white dwarf, it's gonna kill us.
no. Yes. Well,
How long?
because in the red giant state, it will expand and the hot gases will vaporize the planets. All the units.
And then how long till that happens? Because I want to live.
You won't live. It's I think 5 to 7 billion years.
I'm studying the sun. It's actually 5 billion years. You're right.
No, 5 to 7.
It said in the book.
It's probably 5 to 7. Aiden?
What is the difference between a supermassive black hole and a black hole?
Only size and the gravitational well is bigger. That means you probably won't be rectified, but you would still be destroyed.
Wait, so what is there a difference with a white dwarf black hole and just a black hole?
The white dwarf does not suck in as like a
It
black
doesn't
hole.
suck in you.
It could if you get too close. Everything can, but
A black hole is more dangerous
Yeah.
than a white hole?
probably. Ellen? Oh, Bailey, sorry.
How long would it be until, like, could planets get sucked in?
Yes. Emma?
How will black holes create?
When a huge star explodes, I think it's 12. If the star is 12 times the mass of our sun or bigger, it can turn into a black hole. Ashley,
Does it move or does it just stay there?
it can move, can spin, can move. Alex,
What if a supermassive black hole were to hit Earth?
then Earth would be dead.
Earth would be gone before it hit.
Yeah, it would be gone before it hit. Nick?
So, the black hole that you can get out of, say you were to survive going in one, is that like you'd pick it out, like, would that bring you back or into a different universe safely or no?
Actually, there's a possible way. If you go in a supermassive spinning black hole, so normally, can you show the slide again with the pictures of the black holes?
Let me see, white dwarfs. The one with the 3 different black holes?
Yeah.
I think it's this one.
No.
This one.
Yeah, this one.
Yes. So that's actually that should be in the ring, and it's just how I found it on the internet. So usually everything goes in, gets spiraled around, and gets sucked in, destroyed. But you can go in here and go through the singularity and survive, still go into another universe, but then it will almost be impossible to find a black hole going back to our universe. Aiden?
I thought the universe was everything in space.
Actually, I think there's more than one
I
universe.
thought that would be called a galaxy.
So
No.
there is more black holes.
So then what is Then what is the thing representing all the universes called?
Basically a galaxy.
No, a galaxy is a
The
group of
galaxy
stars.
is in a universe, like the Milky Way is a galaxy.
I don't know. Scientists haven't discovered the proof that there's more universes.
I don't
Just think there's
I
more.
think there is.
Casey?
Where, do we have a black hole in our solar system?
Not in our solar system, but in the center of our galaxy. And just scattered around our galaxy.
Cool.
Vestal?
Well, I was wondering, kind of off of Casey's question, but how far away those are? Because I hear some scary things that we could fall in, and I don't want to fall into one. So what's the chance of falling into a black hole?
Probably 0 because one is, I think, 1 million light years away. That's a lot.
Oh, okay, so we're pretty far away from
Earth will never, unless the black hole moves.
Black holes
It would
don't.
evaporate. It would evaporate before you know black holes.
No, black holes evaporated billions of years.
Can supermassive black holes suck in bigger planets than itself?
Of course. Actually, the size of a black hole is pretty small. Just the distance across the event horizon is what scientists usually measure. The event horizon is basically the black. Alex?
How far can stuff away from?
I don't know, a long time. Well, once light crosses the event horizon, this is why it's black. Light can't escape the event horizon. Once it goes in, it can't go out. Kayla?
Oh yeah, what happens if two black holes get really close to each other?
Then they will suck each other in and create a bigger black hole.
Okay.
That's so
Nice
cool.
to know.
I have two questions. How fast can black holes move?
I don't know no resource told me.
Cause say if
But they
one,
can't move.
if
I
one
just
moves like
don't-
a light year
I
fast,
just
it could possibly
I-
get to us.
no, because nothing can move faster than the speed of light. Or I don't think they can move the speed of light because they would be invisible. Basically, it wouldn't work.
And so when our sun becomes a white orb, it's basically gonna suck in all the solar system.
No. It'll just be much denser, have more gravity, and the outer planets will just orbit in closer.
So if we have no gravity, we're basically gonna be held against the ground.
Yeah, without gravity, we'd be floating.
No, but you said we'd have more. You said we'd have more gravity, so we go.
Yeah, but we wouldn't be there because in the transformation, it would vaporize the inner planet.
It's happening in about 1 billion years.
Hey, the sun's gonna happen billions of
Boys
years.
and girls. All right, Leon, pick a couple more questions.
What's the black hole in the interstate?
Can be really, really close to us. He said it's like 1 million light years away, right?
Ellen,
Kind of goes along with Phyllis question. What if 5 supermassive black holes go together? What would
still
happen?
create a supermassive, just a bigger supermassive, because that's just the biggest way to explain black hole. Aiden,
What if 2 supermassives came together?
still be a supermassive, just bigger. Alex,
What if the fastest moving clock in a black hole time
actually not for the clock, but you would think time slows down. And you?
If the sun turns into a white dwarf, would the gravity pull in the black hole so you start
I think it would be the opposite way. The black holes would go in the white dwarf. Because the black hole is the limit. It can't get any denser. Ashley?
If two come together, does it move faster or does it stay the same speed or does it get slower?
So when they go together, like this, they would probably, together they would counteract their motion and it would probably stand still. But if one went slow and one went fast, it would probably boost it and go faster. Kayla?
What happens, like, after our sun turns into a white dwarf? What if can a black hole swallow it up?
Yes.
Sweet!
Remember, Kayla, how far away did Leon say black holes are?
Oh, good one.
Another white hole. What if a supermassive black hole and a black hole went together?
Still be a supermassive black hole, just bigger.
Okay, last question. Nick?
I was wondering, oh yeah, what happens if, a black hole keeps sucking in stuff over the billions of years it was alive? What, would it get bigger and bigger and bigger?
Yes, it probably wouldn't evaporate. Because it only evaporates if it doesn't get food for a long time, like billions of years. And if it eats them fast enough, it'll probably be a quasar shooting out energy from its pores.
Cool. And how much energy is how much energy can get in a black hole?
Lots. The
Leon?
bigger the...
Oh, I was going to say, final thing is, I found one slide that after we said the end came up, and it looks like this one. Was there anything on there you needed to add to it, or?
Not really.
Not really, you got it all covered? Okay, so I just want to check to make sure.
And what happened?
Alright.
And what happened if planet hit the black hole, and then it sucked it in all the way, and it hit the top rim of the.
Okay, the event horizon. If it hit the event horizon or if it hit the singularity. If it hit the singularity, it will become part of the singularity. Also, super dense singularity will become bigger.
Alright, let's think, Leon, if you have more questions, because I've seen a lot of questions, you are free to ask Leon about this. He's our black hole expert, but thank you so much, Leon, for sharing.
You wrong. Black holes are.
Well done. Cool.